we've got the wood at the boat. It is, what day is it?
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yeah.
All right, it's Tuesday. Is it morning still?
No.
No,
No,
it's Tuesday afternoon. But we've got the wood at the boat. Oh, we've got Oreo in there too.
You're fine, honey.
And look at this, guys. We have some fresh pieces of steel on the boat. Look at that. How awesome. All right, we're gonna check the bilge. We're gonna maybe hit Ruth's spot here a little bit. There we go. All right. Today's bilge report is, we gotta get in here. Kind of wet. Not super wet. Not up to the first little floor there. But
Where's it supposed to be?
well, preferably there'd be no water in there.
Oh.
But you know, I would say that's a good level. That's a good level for right now. I'm happy with that. That's probably about the level that it's going to sit at for the rest of its life.
Are you serious?
Yeah, because the bilge pump won't pick that stuff up. Unless I got a different bilge pump that would pick that stuff up better, right?
Okay.
But yeah, for now, that's where we're at. So, see up here where I welded that new piece on. There's the inside. There's some pretty big gaps there though, so we're gonna have to fill that in with some sort of putty or something. It's not great. Yeah, so that's where we're at with that. It is Wednesday afternoon. I'm out here on my friend Tony's boat. I'm actually on the dock right now.
Two of the bolts were corroded.
Two of them?
Maybe an eighth of an inch into
Okay.
the side of the bolt.
Oh, wow. Do you have one?
Yeah.
Let's take a look at it. Oh, wow, yeah. Look at that.
Oh, you can see
Oh, there it goes. Wow, yeah. Be careful.
it. Yeah.
Electricity is a dangerous thing.
Even just 12 volt.